Hello, Clearbrook, North Dallas. 2020 Camaro SS with the 1LE package. What we did here was kind of something for the track pack. It's a full bumper. And when we do these bumpers, a little bit of water there, we do everything nice and tight like always, especially for track cars, because we want everything covered from edge to edge. All wrapped, all that stuff wrapped in nice and tight, wrapped around this edge, wrapped all that in one piece. So this bumper goes in, now they've changed it. It's a little bit different configuration. It goes all one section, all the way around and down. The only piece that's set in is this center piece they chopped out. So that's a separate piece and it all gets wrapped. And then this bottom blue piece, and then these splitters are optional. And that splitter, if you use a stealth film on it, it changes the look. That's more of a satin, just under a gloss finish. So just depends what you want to do with it. This hood matches that. That's a wrap from the factory. Excuse me. Moving forward here, we did all the rockers up to the doors. This one has some skirts on it, so it covers a lot of the rocker, but we continued all the way up and then all the way here, and of course wrapped in behind the wheels, and then we come back here to the strip back here wrapped in, and it goes all the way to the tail to keep that splash down. Coming up top for when this car is on the track and it's tailing a car, hopefully it's in the front more than tailing. But the A-pillars, key is A-pillars wrapped all the way around. All the way around, wrapped, critically wrapped inside the window frame here. And it's a large, comes out to about here. So it's a large chunk. And then we wrap it in here as well, just inside this area. So the whole painted area gets wrapped. When you're using Clearbrook paint protection film, it's important that you try to wrap as much paint as you can. If you can't, obviously you're not going to get it in little cracks and crevices that'll peel up later. But there you go, 2020 Camaro SS, beautiful, pretty in blue. It's got some custom wheels and a lot of other stuff this gentleman's going to do to it. But there it is, XPEL Ultimate Plus. That's about it, folks. You need something? ClearBrookNorthDallas.com. Thanks.